Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, today again happy to meet you in another science class. Children, today we are going to discuss about term 3, unit 1, green environment. Green environment. Children, what is meant by environment? Environment means our surroundings. Children, in this lesson, we are going to discuss about how to maintain our surroundings. Children, nature provides us with a lot of natural things, but human beings exploit the natural resources and create more trash. Children, these unwanted materials thrown away are called waste. They can be solid, liquid and gas. They are produced from schools, hospitals, household, industries, etc. So children, these unwanted materials pollute our environment. Children, there are 4 steps in waste management. They are, first one, separation of waste. Separation of waste. Second one, waste collection and transportation. Waste collection and transportation. Third one, waste recycling and composting. Waste recycling and composting. Waste disposal. Last one, waste disposal. Let us see one by one. Children, first one, separation of waste. Separation means the action of separating. தனித்தனியாக பிரித்தல். Okay children, it is good to separate waste in 3 different bins. It is good to separate waste in 3 different bins. First one, green. First one, green. Green for biodegradable waste. Green for biodegradable waste. Next one, blue. Blue for recyclable waste. Blue for recyclable waste. Next one, red. Red for non-recyclable waste. Red for non-recyclable waste. Children, non-biodegradable waste can be classified as recyclable and non-recyclable. Let us see one by one. Children, medical waste, wax boxes, windows and mirrors, etc. are the examples of non-recyclable items. Children, plastic products, papers including newspapers, magazines and mixed papers. Next one, metals. Metal containers including tin, aluminium and steel cans. Next one, glass bottles. These are the examples of recyclable items. Children, this is second method, waste collection and transportation. Once we separate our waste in our homes and schools, it is important to keep it ready to be picked up by our municipality or corporation. Picking up the waste is called waste collection. Moving the waste from one place to another is called transportation. Children, this is waste collection and transportation. This is called transportation. See this picture, children. Children, third one, waste recycling and composting. First one, waste recycling. Non-biodegradable waste that can be turned into something new and valuable is taken to recycling factory. Next one, composting. Compost is food for plants and helps to make our soil healthy. It means compost is a mixture of dead plants and old food, etc. that is added to soil to help plants grow. Last one, waste disposal. Waste disposal means other unwanted domestic, agriculture or industrial products and substances. The waste that cannot be recycled needs to be sent for final disposal. This waste is sent to an open dump or landfill. So children, try to reduce the waste. Use recyclable products. Children, already we learnt 4 steps in waste management. See this tabular column. Write the waste management process in the correct order. Write the waste management process in the correct order. First one, waste separation. Second one, waste collection and transportation. Third one, waste recycling and composting. Last one, waste disposal. Children, see these hard words. Number 1, green environment. Green environment. Green, green, ENVIRONMENT, green environment. Second one, worn out. WORNOUT, worn out. Third one, waste management. Waste management. WASTEMANAGEMENT, waste management. Fourth one, surroundings. SURROUNDINGS, surroundings. Number 5, environment. ENVIRONMENT, environment. Sixth one, biodegradable. BIODEGRADABLE, biodegradable. Number 7, non-biodegradable. NON, non. BIODEGRADABLE, non-biodegradable. Number 8, waste disposal. Waste disposal. WASTEDISPOSAL, waste disposal. Number 9, corporation. CORPORATION, P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N, corporation. Number 10, transportation. Transportation. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T-A-T-I-O-N, transportation. Children, green environment. Green environment means ecological, பசுமையான சுற்றுச்சூழல். Second one, worn out. Worn out means damaged, கிழிந்தது அல்லது தேய்ஞ்சு போனது. worn out. Waste management, unwanted things. Waste management means unwanted things. Surroundings, which is around us. Surroundings means around us. Environment, this is also around us. Biodegradable. Biodegradable means that can be taken back into the earth. மண்ணோடு மண்ணாக மக்கி போகிற பொருளுக்கு பயோடிகிரேடபிள். மண்ணோடு மண்ணாக மக்கி போகிற பொருளுக்கு நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? பயோடிகிரேடபிள். எக்ஸாம்பிள், வெஜிடபிள்ஸ், டெட் பிளான்ட்ஸ், ஓல்டு ஃபுட், எக்ஸட்ரா. நான் பயோடிகிரேடபிள், மண்ணோடு மண்ணாக இது மக்கவே மக்காது. எக்ஸாம்பிள், பிளாஸ்டிக், கிளாஸ். வேஸ்ட் டிஸ்போசல். Waste disposal, unwanted products. Corporation means company. Transportation means traveled from one place to another. Okay children, do you understand? Yes. Children, Roman 6, answer the following. What can you do at home to help waste management? What can you do at home to help waste management? Answer. First point, reducing the use of paper by writing on both sides of every sheet. Second point, use reusable bags. Third point, buy stainless steel bottles instead of plastic bottles. Number 4, reuse containers for storing leftover. Number 5, reduce or avoid one-time use plastic. Once again, reducing the use of paper by writing on both sides of every sheet. Second point, use reusable bags. Third point, buy stainless steel bottles instead of plastic bottles. Fourth point, reuse containers for storing leftover. Fifth point, reduce or avoid one-time use plastic. Okay children, study well. God bless you. Have a nice day.